In the fast-paced world of automotive innovation, we are witnessing a monumental leap forward that could fundamentally change the electric vehicle landscape forever. Karma Automotive, the Southern California-based ultra-luxury manufacturer, has just announced a groundbreaking partnership with Factorial Energy to launch the first commercial solid-state battery program for passenger vehicles right here in the United States. This is not just another experimental prototype or a laboratory concept. This is a production-bound initiative centered around the breathtaking Karma Kaveya, an all-electric super-coupe that is poised to become the new benchmark for American EV performance. By integrating Factorial's proprietary Factorial Electrolyte System Technology, or FEST, Karma is positioning itself to leapfrog established rivals and bring next-generation battery tech to the streets as early as late 2027. The Karma Cavea is a machine that demands attention, even before you look at the tech beneath its carbon fiber skin. It features an aggressive, low-slung silhouette with dramatic butterfly doors and an aluminum space frame construction that keeps the weight in check despite its massive performance capabilities. Under the hood, or more accurately throughout its sophisticated dog bone architecture, the Cavea is designed to deliver a staggering 1,180 horsepower and over 1,270 pound-feet of torque. This immense power allows the Hypercar to rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with a projected top speed that eclipses 200 miles per hour. While the initial specs for the Cavea suggested a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the new deal with Factorial means that the production version will likely feature a lighter, more energy-dense solid-state unit that offers significantly better efficiency and range than traditional lithium-ion systems. Factorial Energy, headquartered in Massachusetts, has been a quiet leader in the battery sector, attracting investment and partnership interest from global giants like Mercedes-Benz, Stellantis, and Hyundai. Their FEST technology is often referred to as a quasi-solid-state system because it uses a high-energy electrolyte that significantly reduces the fire risk associated with liquid electrolytes while boosting energy density. One of the most critical advantages of Factorial's approach is its compatibility with existing infrastructure.
Their solid-state cells can be produced using up to 80% of the same equipment currently found in lithium-ion battery factories. This drop-in compatibility is a game-changer for the industry, as it allows manufacturers to scale up production of next-gen batteries without having to build entirely new multi-billion-dollar gigafactories from scratch. To understand the real-world potential of this technology, we only need to look at recent tests conducted by Mercedes-Benz using Factorial cells. A modified Mercedes EQS, equipped with this solid-state technology, managed to travel over 745 miles on a single charge. For the Karma Cavea, this translates to a vehicle that can offer hypercar performance without the range anxiety that often plagues high-performance EVs. Karma's president and CEO, Marquez McCammon, intentionally delayed the Cavea's original launch timeline to ensure this battery breakthrough could be integrated into the final product. He views this as a vital step in validating Karma as a true technology leader, moving beyond the brand's boutique origins to compete with the likes of Ferrari and McLaren in the electric era. The Cavea's interior is just as futuristic as its drivetrain, featuring a yoke-style steering wheel and a software-defined vehicle architecture developed in collaboration with top-tier technology partners. Every aspect of the car's performance, from the torque vectoring of its dual-motor setup to the thermal management of the FEST battery cells, is managed by an integrated digital brain. The dog bone battery layout is particularly clever. It places the battery cells in horizontal sections at the front and rear of the vehicle, connected by a central tunnel. This configuration allows for a near-perfect weight distribution while keeping the seating position ultra-low, maintaining that traditional supercar feel that drivers crave. For the American automotive industry, this partnership represents a major win for domestic innovation. Karma designs, engineers, and manufactures its vehicles in California, and Factorial is a US-based technology firm. This creates an entirely domestic ecosystem for the most advanced battery technology in the world, strengthening the US supply chain and ensuring that American engineering stays at the forefront of the global EV transition.
While larger automakers are still years away from deploying solid-state batteries in mass-market vehicles, Karma's small-scale, ultra-luxury approach allows them to act as a pioneer, proving the technology's viability in the real world before it trickles down to more affordable models. Looking ahead, the Cavea is just the beginning for Karma.
The brand's roadmap includes the Gyesera, an all-electric touring sedan, and the Avara, a grand touring utility vehicle, both of which are expected to benefit from the lessons learned during the solid-state program. The arrival of the Cavea in 2027 will mark a historic moment, the point where the laboratory dream of solid-state power finally meets the reality of the open road. For enthusiasts, it means a car that is safer, lighter, and capable of traveling further than ever before. For the industry, it is a clear signal that the next phase of electric mobility has officially begun. Karma Automotive and Factorial have set the stage for a revolution, and we can't wait to see how the rest of the automotive world responds to this high-voltage challenge.